You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. They are often, very often, confused from one another. So let's clarify things and make sure you get this correctly. Now, what is even more confusing is that those pronunciations are exactly the same. So let's go through. The top word is pronounced in British English as fourth, meaning forward or onward, alright? Out and away from a starting point, as in back and forth, okay? Fourth. In American English, similarly, fourth. Now, the bottom word with a U means number 4, okay? Something that is 1, 2, 3, fourth. It's pronounced exactly the same way. First, second, third, fourth. Fourth. So, those two words are homophones, pronounced exactly the same way, slightly different spelling, but quite a different meaning. But now, you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.